Hello and welcome to Toystack. Today I'll be demonstrating how we are going to deploy Node.js application on Toystack platform. Right, so I'm going to Google and going to type Toystack and I'm going to click on Toystack. This will navigate you to the homepage and you're going to click on Get Started. And once you come to this page, you're going to import and activate repository. We're going to click on Sync with GitHub. You're going to install Toystack application from GitHub Marketplace. So this would be your URL, right? And click on install. You're going to continue. You're going to give permissions over here to access the repository. So I'm clicking on install. So this will install Toystack application. And over here you can give the repository access. So I'm taking access for only Node currently. So Node.js, save. And you can go back to the dashboard. So your repository is visible over here. Click on Node.js and then you're going to choose settings, and under which you can see all your repository details. So the framework which I'm using is Node, right? If you're using Docker file or Docker in your application, you can use Docker as your framework. I have both the options currently, so I can use either one. So I'm using Node as my framework. I have to give build command if I'm using you can also provide post installation dependency installation command, provided you also need to configure your Node version. Over here you have to give the port number. You can also provide custom domain name and env variables if any, and you can view your plan and billing details in this section. So currently I'm using bot plan. In case you want to change the plan, you can choose one of any one and select plan and use this option. And you can either activate the new plan immediately, or once your this bot plan is going to expire, the next plan is going to get upcoming plan is going to get activated. So either one you can choose. So I'm going to use this plan once my bot plan gets expired. So I'm going to click on pay and go to the repository dashboard. So you can see over here current plan expires on 5th January. So post this, it will use the other plan. So you can go back to the deployments tab, click on deploy from branch, select branch main, and I'm going to choose the validity and click on deploy. So you can view the build logs, application logs and analytics from here. As you can see over here, our application is deployed successfully, and view the URL in the overview tab. So you can see over here, it hardly took few seconds to deploy a Node application. And first you can click on this URL. So once you click on this URL, you can see the required output, hello Toystack. This is what I was expecting. So yeah, that's how we want to deploy Node.js application. So go ahead and deploy your application on Toystack. Thank you so much.